let's learn how to do flamingo pose and palm tree pose at Ross Lake, North Cascades National Park. To start with, let's shift our weight forward onto our toes. From here, lift up both of your arms and make sure they meet behind your ears. Keep your arms straightened. From here, you can either steeple your fingers or have your palms together. Now you have achieved palm tree pose. And for an added challenge, you can close your eyes. Ways to balance with your eyes closed include imagining an object that's in front of you or focusing on properly distributing your weight across your toes. From here, we're going to move into flamingo pose. So to start with, simply shift your weight onto one of your toes and then lift up your leg. We're going to do the same thing now on the other side. And there you have it. Have a great day.